Let me discuss about the rules of changing active voice into passive voice. Rule 1. When the subject itself does the work, that is, the subject acts, the verb is in the active voice. Passive voice, when the subject does not do the work or act, that is, remains inactive, the verb is in the passive voice. The subject is the doer or actor of the action in the active voice. In the passive voice, the subject is not the doer but the receiver of the result of the action. Now, a sentence in the active voice can be divided in this manner, or in the passive voice can be divided in this manner. He beat the boy. He subject, beat verb, the boy object, passive. The boy was beaten by him. In the active voice, he is the subject, did is the active verb, and object it. In the passive voice, the object becomes the subject, it, did becomes was done, this is the passive verb, and the subject he becomes by him or agent. There are also change of pronouns. I in the subject becomes me in the object. We becomes us. We sits before the verb and us sits after the verb. You remains you, he becomes him in the passive voice, she becomes her, they become them. The be verb takes the following forms in the passive voice agreeing with the new subject. If the sentence is in the simple present, is, am, are, according to the subject, the continuous is am being, is being, or are being. If the sentence is in the present perfect, have been or has been. If the sentence is simple past, was or were. If it is past continuous, was being, were being. Past perfect, had been. Simple future, shall be, will be. And if it is future perfect, shall have been or will have been. I take tea becomes tea is taken by me in simple present. Present continuous, I am taking tea, tea is being taken by me. Present perfect, I have taken tea, tea has been taken by me. In simple past, I took tea, tea was taken by me. Past continuous, I was taking tea, tea was being taken by me. Past perfect, I had taken tea, tea had been taken by me. Simple future, I shall take tea, tea will be taken by me. And future perfect, I shall have taken tea, tea will have been taken by me. Now, there are some passive verbs which do not take by after them. I know him, he is known to me. He marries her, she is married to him. Tears filled her eyes. Her eyes were filled with tears. The news pleased all. All were pleased with the news. His manner shocked me. I was shocked at his manner. Her behavior charmed us. We were charmed at her behavior. Question 1. We hate home task. We subject, hate verb, home task, object. Simple present tense. Home task is hated by us. Question 2. He helps me. He subject, helps verb, me object. I am helped by him. Simple present tense. Question 3. I see an aeroplane. An aeroplane is seen by me. Question 4. She sings a song. She subject sings verb a song object. A song is sung by her. Question 5. Children like sweets. Children subject like verb sweets object. Sweets are liked by children. Simple present tense. Question 6. He killed a cobra. A cobra was killed by him. He subject killed verb a cobra object. Simple past tense. Question 7. She phoned the police. The police was phoned by her. Question 8. He caught a fish. He subject caught verb a fish object. A fish was caught by him. Question 9. You made many mistakes. You subject made verb many mistakes object. Many mistakes were made by you. Question 10. He did not write any letter. No letter was written by him. Question 11. They laughed at us. They subject laughed at verb us object. We were laughed at by them. Question 12. The cat killed a rat. The cat subject killed verb a rat object. A rat was killed by the cat. Question 13. She asked my name. My name was asked by her. My name was asked by her. She subject asked verb my name object. Simple past tense. Question 14. The letter was written by her. Passive voice. She wrote the letter. Question 15. They made him minister. They subject made verb him object minister object. He was made minister by them. Question 16. Students like easy questions. Students subject like verb easy questions object. Easy questions are liked by students. Question 17. He heard calls for help. He subject heard verb calls for help object. Calls for help were heard by him. 18. She is writing a letter now. She subject is writing verb a letter object now extra. Present continuous tense. A letter is being written by her now. Question 19. He stole my watch. He subject stole verb my watch object. My watch was stolen by him. Question 20. I have done my duty. Past present perfect tense. My duty has been done by me. Question 21. Question 21. His room is being searched by the police. Passive voice. The police is searching his room. Question 22. The boy is teasing the dog. Present continuous tense. The dog is being teased by the boy. Question 23. No one has seen her ever. She has never been seen by anyone. Question 24. We agree to your proposal. We subject agree to verb your proposal object. Your proposal is agreed to by us. Question 25. She has told me the truth. She subject has told verb me object the truth object. I have been told the truth by her. Question 26. We compelled him to surrender. He was compelled to surrender by us. 27. I have sold my cycle. My cycle has been sold by me. Question 28. Hari was helping her. Past continuous tense. She was being helped by Hari. Question 29. Rom does not like mom anymore. Mom is not liked by Rom anymore. Question 30. Her story interested me greatly. I was interested in her story greatly. Question 31. I knew him. He was known to me. She is being praised by her teacher. Her teacher is praising her. Her teacher is praising her. Question 33. The fact was known to all of us. All of us knew the fact. Question 34. It was stolen by Roman. Roman stole it. Roman stole it. The thief was arrested by the police. Question 35. Passive voice. Simple past tense. The police arrested the thief. Question 36. She is loved by all her neighbors. Passive voice. All her neighbors love her. All her neighbors love her. She subject is loved verb. All her neighbors agent. She subject is loved verb. All her neighbors agent. All her neighbors love her. Question 37. They took no notice of me. I was taken no notice by them. I was taken no notice of by them. I was taken no notice of by them. Question 38. Kites were being flown by the children. Past continuous tense. The children were flying kites. Question 39. Good news is expected by us. Good news is expected by us. We expect good news. Question 40. They were serving tea to the party. They were serving tea to the party. Past continuous tense. Passive voice. The party, this is active voice. The party was being served tea by them. The party was being served tea by them. Question 41. People called him a fool. He was called a fool by people. People called him a fool. He was called a fool by people. Or he was called a fool. He was called a fool. Question 42. He was killed in a plane crash. A plane crash killed him. A plane crash killed him. He was killed in a plane crash. Passive voice. Simple past tense. Question 43. I have gone through the book thoroughly. The book has been gone thoroughly by me. The book has been gone thoroughly. Question 44. Let us not forget our task. Our task be not forgotten. Our task should not be forgotten. Our task should not be forgotten, or our task be not forgotten. Question 45. The soup smells sour. The soup smells sour when it is smelt. Question 46. He hurt himself. he was hurt himself. Question 47. He marries her for money. Question 48. You don't know anything. Nothing is known to you. Question 49. He knows her. She is known to him. Question 50. Her manner shocked me. I was shocked at her manner. Question 51. Tears filled her eyes. Her eyes were filled with tears. Question 52. When the agent is not expressed in the passive voice, it must be supplied in the active voice. Question 52. Milk is used for making butter. People use milk for making butter. People use milk for making butter. Question 53. He was punished yesterday. The teacher punished him yesterday. The teacher punished him yesterday. The teacher punished him yesterday. Question 54. Not a word was spoken to him. He did not a word was spoken to him. We did not speak a word to him. We did not speak a word to him. Question 55. The drama is being enacted. The artist is enacting the drama. The artist is enacting the drama. Question 56. A good deal of coal is burnt in winter. People burn a good deal of coal in winter. People burn a good deal of coal in winter. Question 57. Little has to be said in this matter. We have to say a little in this matter. We have to say a little in this matter. Question 58. He was taken for a stupid. People took him for a stupid. People took him for a stupid. Question 59. He was heard patiently. I heard him patiently. I heard him patiently. Question 60. He was made monitor. The class made him monitor. The class made him monitor. Question 61. He was obliged to leave. Question 62. The cheat has been arrested. The police has arrested the cheat. The police has arrested the cheat. Question 64. Somebody has put out the light. The light has been put out. The light has been put out. Question 65. The police were stoned. The mob stoned the police. The mob stoned the police. Question 66. The thief was caught. The police caught the thief. Question 67. The lion is called the king of beasts. The lion is called the king of beasts. People call the lion king of beasts. People call the lion the king of beasts. Question 68. He was shot with a revolver. A man shot him with a revolver. A man shot him with a revolver. Question 69. Our team has been defeated. The blue team has defeated our team. The blue team has defeated our team. Question 70. The room is being colored green. The painter is coloring the room green. The painter is coloring the room green. Two objects. Question 71. She told us the story. She, subject, told, verb, us, object, the story, object. We were told the story by her. The story was told us by her. Question 72. She asked me my name. She, subject, asked verb, me, object, my name, object. I was asked my name by her. My name was asked me by her. Question 73. He will lend me some money. Some money will be lent me by him. I will be lent some money by him. Question 74. He was given a toy by the boy. A toy was was given him by the boy. He was given a toy by the boy. A toy was given him by the boy. A toy was given him by the boy. Or the boy gave him a toy. The boy gave him a toy. The boy gave him a toy. Question 75. My father taught me English. I was taught English by my father. English was taught me by my father. English was taught me by my father. Question 76. He gave him a good kick. A good kick was given him by him. Question 77. She asked me to follow her. I was asked to follow her. I was asked to follow her. Question 78. She lent me her dictionary. I was lent her dictionary by her. I was lent her dictionary by her. Question 79. I took him to be a gentleman. He was taken to be a gentleman by me. He was taken to be a gentleman by me. Question 80. She handed me the chair. She, subject, handed, verb, me, object, the chair, object. I was handed the chair by her. I was handed the chair by her. Question 81. He gave her a lift in his new car. He gave her a lift in his new car. He, subject, gave, verb, her, object, a lift, object, in his new car, extra. She was given a lift by him in his new car. She was given a lift by him in his new car. Command. Change the voice. Let the voice be changed. Open the window. Question 83. Let the window be opened. Or you are asked to open the window. 84. Do not insult the weak. Do not insult the weak. You are asked not to insult the weak. Question 85. Keep the ball rolling. You are asked to keep the ball rolling. 86. Tell him to see me. Tell him to see me. Let he be told to see me. Question 87. Do not make mistakes. You are asked not to make mistakes. You are asked not to make mistakes. 88. Read the questions carefully. You are asked to read the questions carefully. You are asked to read the questions carefully. 89. Please do not smoke. You are requested not to smoke. You are requested not to smoke. Question 90. Hit the iron while it is hot. You are advised to hit the iron while it is hot. You are asked to hit the iron while it is hot. Question 91. Do it now or never. You are asked to do it now or never. You are asked to do it now or never. Question 92. Read the story. Let the story be read. Or you are asked to read the story. You are asked to read the story. Question 93. Don't pick flowers. You are asked not to pick flowers. You are asked not to pick flowers. Question 94. Please sit down. You are requested to sit down. Question 95. Work hard. You are advised, advised. You are advised to work hard. Let our task be completed. Let our task be completed. We should complete our task. We should complete our task. Question 97. Correct your errors. You are advised to correct your errors. You are advised to correct your errors. Question 98. Green our area. you are asked to green our area, or we are asked to green our area. Question 99. Don't talk. You are forbidden to talk. You are forbidden, F-O-R-B-I-D-D-E-N. F-O-R-B-I-D-D-E-N. You are forbidden to talk, or you are advised not to talk. Question 100. Stop it. You are asked to stop it. Modals. Question 101. 101. 101. We may win the match. The match might be won by us. The match might be won by us. Modals. Question 101. We may win the match. The match may be won by us. Question 102. We should speak the truth. The truth should be spoken by us. Question 103. You must do it. It must be done by you. Question 104. I can do the sum. The sum can be done by us. Question 105. We ought to serve our country. Our country ought to be served by us. Question 106. Nothing can be gained without pain. We can gain nothing without pain. We can gain nothing without pain. Question 107. Even a mouse may help a lion. Even a mouse may help a lion. A lion may be helped. A lion may be helped even by a mouse. A lion may be helped even by a mouse. Page 108. Question 108. One should obey one's parents. One's parents should be obeyed by one. One's parents should be obeyed. One's parents should be obeyed. Question 109. I cannot agree to it. It cannot be agreed to by me. It cannot be agreed to by me. Question 110. The letter might be typed by her. She might type the letter. She might type the letter. Question 111. Smoking must be stopped. You must stop smoking. You must stop smoking. Question 112. We won't be beaten. The teacher won't beat us. The teacher won't beat us. Interrogative. Question 113. What are you looking for? What is being looked for by you? What is being, B-E-I-N-G, being looked for by you? Question 114. Who chaired the meeting? By whom was the meeting chaired? By whom was the meeting chaired? Question 115. Whom does she like most? Whom does she like most? Who is liked most by her? Who is liked most by her? Question 116. Why did you do it? Why it was done by you? Why it was done by you? Question 117. Do you know me? Am I known to you? Am I known to you? Question 118. Does he do his homework daily? Is his homework done daily by him? Is his homework done daily by him? Question 119. Did you see her before? Was she seen before by you? Was she seen before by you? Question 120. Have you read my book? Has my book been read by you? Has my book been read by you? Question 121. Shall I forget those dreadful days? Shall those dreadful days be forgotten by me? Question 122. Were you writing a report? Were a report being written by you? Question 123. Who told you so? By whom were you told so? By whom were you told so? Question mark. Question 124. Should I shut the shop? Should the shop be shut by me? Question mark. Question 125. Why should I be suspected by you? Why should you suspect me? Why should you suspect me? Question 126. Where did you find it? Where was it found by you? Where was it found by you? Question 127. Will you tell me the story? Will the story be told me by you? Question 128. By whom was it told? Who told it? Who told it? Question 129. Is the lady liked by all? Do all like the lady? Do all like the lady? Question 130. How was it done by you? How did you do it? How did you do it? Question 131. Why were the trees being cut? Why were the trees being cut? Why were they cutting the trees? Why were they cutting the trees? Question 132. Question 132. Why was the boy beaten? Why did they beat the boy? Why did they beat the boy? Question 133. Am I allowed to come in? Am I allowed to come in? Do you allow me to come in? Do you allow me to come in? Question 134. Who lent you this necklace? Who lent you this necklace? By whom were you lent this necklace? By whom were you lent this necklace? Question 135. Who is looking into the case? By whom is the case looked into? By whom is the case looked into? Question 136. Who does not love his country? Who does not love his country? Who does not love his country? By whom his country is not loved? By whom his country is not loved? Question 137. Why are you laughing at the stranger? Why are you laughing at the stranger? Why is the stranger laughed at by you? Why is the stranger laughed? L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed at by you. What do you want? Question 138. What do you want? What is wanted by you? What is wanted by you? Question 139. Why did you give a rude reply? Why did you give a rude reply? Why a rude reply given by you? Why a rude reply given by you? Question 140. Why did she slap on your face? Why were you slapped on your face by her? Why were you slapped on your face by her? Question 141. How did you do it? How was it done by you? How was it done by you? Question 142. Did I not tell you so? Were you not told so by me? Were you not told so by me? Question 143. Who do you want? Who is wanted by you? Who is wanted by you?